Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have Buddy Punch and this is the best employee time clock software. So before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and exclusive benefits on this site. Now, you know that employee time clock is super hectic and could be really challenging sometimes. So for that we have this software now, Buddy Punch, and you can add different employees in here. Simply click on this add employee option and you can easily add your employee in here. You need to enter their basic detail, like for example name, their username, password, and all of the other information, and once you add them they will be populated in the employee section. Now coming back to the dashboard, you can see we also have these pending approval from the employees that we add, and this is the feature punched out. And currently if you are thinking that someone is not working nicely or up to the mark, then you can add him into the punched out section, and this is from where he will be in the red zone and he needs to know that he have to work according to the demands. You can also set the time cards, so in the employees section you will be able to see the added employees. Reports will be highlighting the hours report by location. You can see our summary, daily hours, and in and out activity, and all of the employee related activity will be populated in reports. So finally in the settings you can set different aspects of the website and platform. So yeah, that wraps it up. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply get exclusive benefits and reward and extended free trial on the site. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.